You are dealt one card from a 52 card deck. Find the probability that you are dealt, and 13 says, not a 4. So there are 4 4s in the deck. So the probability that it is a 4 is 4 over 52. So the probability that it is not a 4 is 1 minus 4 over 52, which is 48 over 52, which reduces to 12 over 13. Next is the probability that it is not a club. Now, there are 13 clubs, so the probability that it is a club is 13 over 52. So we want to take 1 minus 13 over 52, which is equal to 39 over 52, which reduces to 3 over 4. And this should make sense because there are 4 rows total, and we don't want the club row, we want the other 3 rows. So that's why it's 3 over 4.